Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are using the Narzo 90 and I'll guide you how to fix network related issues quickly and easily. Just follow each step properly to restore your signal. Before moving ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. So now let's begin.